The first common question is whether everyone has to undergo medical imaging like CT scan or chest X-ray. And the second question is what does the CT score means to you? Hi everyone, myself Dr. T. Sitam Kumar, consultant radiologist in Nidan Diagnostic, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. In this pandemic, I am here to clarify few of your doubts regarding medical imaging in COVID-19 infection. The first common question is whether everyone has to undergo medical imaging like CT scan or chest X-ray. And the second question is what does the CT score means to you? Does everyone has to undergo chest X-ray or CT scan? The answer is absolutely no. In the first few days of symptoms like cough and fever, it is not advisable to undergo chest X-ray or CT scan. The first thing is patient has to be symptomatic like high grade fever more than 100.4 degree Fahrenheit for few days, not responding to paracetamol, or you are having breathlessness or oxygen saturation in a decreasing trend. And the second indication is there is increasing trend of biochemical inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, ferritin, D-dimer, interleukin 6, all are in a increasing trend. And the third thing is there is highly suspicious of COVID-19, but in your area RT-PCR is not available or RT-PCR is negative for few incidents. Coming to the second question. So in the CT scan there is a COVID-19 reporting and data system which called as CORADS. CORADS 1 to 6 depending upon the suspicious of COVID-19 lesions like CORAD 1 normal lungs, CORAD 2 low suspicious, CORAD 3 is intermediate suspicious, CORAD 4 is high suspicious, 5 is very high suspicious, and 6 is PCR positive with COVID-19 lung lesions. So coming to the score, human body has two lungs, one on right side, another on left side. So right have 3 lobes, left has 2 lobes, and thus each lobe will be given a score from 1 to 5 depending upon the lung involvement. Like 1 is less than 5% involvement, 2 is 5 to 25% involvement, 3 is 25 to 50% involvement, 4 is 50 to 75% involvement, and 5 is more than 75% involvement. So each lobe will be given a score and that will be summated and the score will be given out of 25. So if the score is less than 8, it is mild disease, 8 to 15 is moderate disease, and more than 15 is severe disease. So whatever may be the score, that will be multiplied by 4, which will give rise to the percentage of lung involvement. Like if my score is 9, so there is 36% of lung involvement. Hope I have solved few of your queries regarding medical imaging in COVID-19 infection. Thank you.